easily. Were you able to get in touch with Michael Jackson's spirit after he passed?
Yeah, I was actually. Yeah.
Did he know what happened or?
Oh, he was fully aware.
Wow.
So really just like so fascinating. So just this past year, I was remote viewing Kate Middleton because there's a lot of weird stuff going on with her, right? And like the royal family and her not being seen for many months.
What
right?
happened with that?
Okay, it's like a whole long, it's probably the craziest thing I've ever remote viewed, but essentially they killed her off. She wanted to leave the royal family. We already had Meghan and Harry leave. Like there's been so much scandal. They didn't want her to leave. Her husband was cheating on her. That's a whole internal thing. And so they ended up killing her off and then replacing her with a clone, okay? Anyway, and so it's going to sound so wild, especially if people are finding me for the first time, but whatever. Anyway, so I was able to take her soul and like reattach it to the clone body. So it is actually her again. It's
what?
Just I know. I didn't even know it was possible until I tried and it worked.
Wow.
I know. And like they basically, so in order for a clone body to work, they do need to put consciousness into it. So they basically have a machine that takes a consciousness and like inputs it into the body, but the consciousness isn't the original one, right? Because they want to be able to control this consciousness, and then they program that consciousness into the memories and the actions and the reactions of the original person.
Whoa, so they can implant all the memories?
Yep, exactly. So it's a process, right? Like it takes a while. Anyway, so the clone body and the consciousness, they weren't jiving, and then the clone body was dying because the consciousness wasn't feeding it that, like, I guess basically like a source energy.
Yeah.
Anyway, so once the real Kate Middleton got reconnected to the clone body, it started to like heal itself. Like the body started to recover. It was so wild. Anyway, so that was like a 6-video series I had to do.
Crap.
I did not release that publicly because I'm like, this is crazy from my standards. Right? Anyway, it's all on my website if people are interested in that. 'Cause you got to start from part 1 though, because it's wild. Anyway, so when I was talking to Kate Middleton, crazy enough, Princess Diana was there helping her as a spirit from the other side. And then when I talked to Princess Diana, I asked her, I said, hey, like, is this weird for you? Because Kate's a clone. Like, is this cloning thing weird for you, right? Because I'm like, this is bizarre, right? This whole cloning thing. And Princess Diana said, no, I was good friends with Michael Jackson, and he was the first one. So she knew that he was a clone. So of course, Michael Jackson knew that he was replaced by clones. Like he was on the other side checking out what they were doing and how they were really destroying his image.
Crazy.
While he was still alive. Wink, wink, right?
Right.
And then I guess Princess Diana was friends with him and knew everything that was going on. And of course, that's why, part of the reason why they killed her off, right? Because she knew
insane.
too much.
So
It just gets crazy.
Yeah. So she's back in her body now?
So Kate Middleton is finally back in her body, which is a clone body, and she's beyond excited to be reunited with her kids. Like she was so sad.
Hopefully she could get out, right? Escape.
So she's got to really play it safe for a while.
Yeah.
Now that she's in this body, like there's handlers and there's like other there's basically rules and regulations. Like she's got to abide by these rules. So basically this shadow government can't find out that it's the original Kate consciousness attached to this clone.
Okay.
So she's got to really like, if they're like, sit, she's got to sit. Okay, say this, she's got to say this, So she's really got to sort of play this game now, which is just such a mind trip if you think about it. I know, it is. It gets so crazy, but... And like I say, like, take it or leave it. This is just what I pick up on. Like, I think it's crazy. I never thought I would be publicly talking about this stuff, but unfortunately, it is what's happening on planet
nuts.
Earth.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.